Hello, I'll be going over test one. So let's start by question one. Question one states the components of vector A are given as follows. A of x is positive 6.1 and A of y is negative 8.6. Now it's asking us to measure the x axis to vector A. In degrees is closest to. So our options for A, B, C, D, and E. We got 215, 145, 55, 125, 305. And these are the angles that are given. So it's asking us the component of vector A are given as follows. A of x is positive 6.1 and A of y is negative 8.6. Measure the counterclockwise. That's the key word. Counterclockwise from the x-axis in degrees. So to do this, so let's draw a graph. So we're just saying our x is positive 6 so that's over here, and then our y is negative 8. So we know that it's going to be on the fourth quadrant, this vector. So we're looking for this angle, and counterclockwise from the x-axis is going to be this angle. So this is the angles that we need to find. So we're given our x and we're given our y. So we need to find tangent arctant. It will be 8.6, or I need to write that negative, but I messed up. So 6.1. So when you do it on the calculator, you get 8.6 divided by 6.1. You get 54, 65. If you want to round up, you get 55. So since they're asking us to find the counterclockwise angle, we know that this entire angle is going to be 360 minus the 55, and we have 305. So the final answer is 305. So the correct letter is E.